come make macarons with me in Paris.
Paris, the city of love and food. The most visited city in the world has a wide range of activities for travelers, but if you're looking for something fun and quintessentially French to do, just take a cooking class. I learned how to make macarons at a French pastry school on my last visit to the city. Come join me to see what the experience was like. Whether it's your first time or your fifth visit to the city, this is a highly enjoyable activity for all genders. The first thing to know about making macarons is that they're extremely sensitive to humidity. This is not what you want to be baking on a rainy day. Our pastry chef created the base to speed things up, which was made of egg whites, sugar, and water. It had to be heated up to the perfect temperature before being used. In the meantime, we used almond flour, which is the base and what gives us its main flavor and chewy consistency. Once the base ingredients for the macarons are ready, it should be solid enough to not fall if you hold it upside down. A tiny bit of food coloring, which has nothing to do with the flavor, and it was time to start mixing it. I chose purple. We then mix it in with the base, and once we do, it'll take on the pastel color we all know macarons.
Clean, I'm going to smash. Try to clean, to smash. Clean, to smash. Clean, to smash.
It's a lot harder than it looks. Smash.
This is the most important part. It needs to have the perfect consistency before we bake it, and if they don't, they'll lose their macaron shape. The pastry chef will let you know once yours is ready.
Press, 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 press. Stop, twist inside, and I go up. Press, press, press. I stop, twist inside, and I go up.
We're ready! Don't they look amazing? And now for the baking. They're so light that most people place screws on top of the baking sheet to make sure that they don't fly away. Those will take around 10 to 12 minutes to bake. In the meantime, we'll learn how to make different shapes of macarons. And here's why the mix consistency is so important. If a few macarons crack during the baking process, it's due to the oven. If all of them crack, it's because the consistency was not right and they were not ready to be baked. And now for the filling. Let's not forget the outer cookie will taste like almond no matter what the color is. It's the filling that gives it its unique flavor. We've got lemon, chocolate, vanilla, and raspberry here. Only a few cracked. That means we did it well. The filling will be warm at first since we had to melt the ingredients in the microwave for a couple of seconds. But after we've poured it into our piping bags, we flatten it and leave it in the fridge for 5 minutes so its consistency can become a little harder.
Now here, I'm just going to twist, because if I press it, everything is going to break the texture, so like this is going to be the shape.
And this is the final step. You can book this activity through Get Your Guide. I've left the link here.
And voila!